Staring at a mountain of debt? Feeling like you're constantly treading water, no matter how hard you work? You're not alone. So many people find themselves in this exact position, and the weight of it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can not only help you understand your financial situation, but also guide you step by step towards becoming debt-free? That tool is YNAB. You need a budget. Now, you might have heard of budgeting apps before, and maybe you've even tried a few. But YNAB is different. It's not just about tracking where your money goes, it's about intentionally deciding where you want it to go. And when it comes to tackling debt, that intentionality is your secret weapon. So, how exactly can YNAB help you escape the clutches of debt? Let's break it down. The first crucial step is facing your debt head-on. YNAB encourages you to list out every single debt you have, from credit cards and personal loans to student loans and car payments. Include the outstanding balance and the minimum payment for each. Seeing the full picture, while it might feel daunting at first, is essential for creating a realistic plan. Next comes the YNAB magic, the 4 rules. These rules are the foundation of the YNAB philosophy and are incredibly effective in helping you gain control of your money. Rule 1. Give every dollar a job. This means that every single naira in your budget has a purpose. Instead of just letting your money sit in your account, you actively decide where it's going to go, whether it's towards rent, groceries, or, most importantly in our case, debt repayment. Rule 2. Embrace your true expenses. Think beyond your regular monthly bills. What about those less frequent but inevitable expenses like car maintenance, annual subscriptions, or holiday gifts? YNAB helps you plan for these by setting aside small amounts each month, preventing you from having to rely on credit and potentially incurring more debt when they pop up. Rule 3. Roll with the punches. Life happens. Unexpected expenses arise, and sometimes you overspend in one category. YNAB encourages flexibility. If you go over budget in your eating out category, you can move money from another category, like entertainment, to cover it. This prevents guilt and helps you stay on track with your overall financial goals, including debt repayment. And finally, Rule 4. Age your money. This is the ultimate goal of YNAB. It's about getting to a point where you're living off money you earned at least 30 days ago. This creates a buffer, reduces financial stress, and gives you even more control over your money, freeing up more resources to put towards debt. Now, let's talk specifically about using YNAB to attack your debt. Once you have all your debts listed in YNAB, you can start assigning extra money to them. The beauty of YNAB is that as you gain more control over your spending and start to age your money, you'll likely find you have more money available than you thought. Instead of letting that extra cash disappear, you can strategically allocate it to your debt. YNAB also allows you to visualize your progress. As you make payments and your debt balances decrease, you'll see those numbers change within the app, providing a powerful visual motivator. This can be incredibly encouraging as you see tangible results from your efforts. There are different debt repayment strategies you can employ with YNAB, such as the debt snowball method, focusing on paying off the smallest debt first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche method, prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. YNAB is flexible enough to support either approach. You simply allocate your extra funds to the debt you're focusing on. Getting out of debt isn't a quick fix, but with YNAB, it becomes a manageable and achievable journey. By gaining clarity, taking control of your spending, and intentionally directing your money towards your debt, you'll start to see progress. And that progress, no matter how small at first, will fuel your motivation and keep you moving towards a debt-free future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.